Assalamu alaikum students of class 10. Welcome to your lecture of English. I am your teacher Miss Aisha Salim. As you all know that our Zoom classes has finished, and so now our video recorded lectures are here. And students, as you know that our syllabus has completed, so we had decided that we have to do revision. As you know that we are doing revision in our physical classes also. So this is the video of revision, and today our topic of revision is direct and indirect narration. As you all know that in your syllabus, in your book, there are exercises of assertive, interrogative and imperative narration. But in this video, we are only going to revise the concepts of assertive narration. So let's start. So here are some rules. As you can see in this slide, I have written the basic rules of narration of to change a direct sentence into indirect. So number one is there are two parts of a sentence: reported speech and reporting speech. So now what is reported and what is reporting speech? Reported speech is a part of a sentence which is inside of the inverted commas, and reporting speech is a part of a sentence which is outside of the inverted commas. So this was the first rule. And now there are three rules to change a direct sentence into indirect. And number one is change of tense, number two is change of pronoun, and number three is change of time and place. So in this video we are go through all the changes gradually. So let's start with change of tenses. You can see here is a table in this slide, and it will be very easy for you to understand it through this table. Make sure that all the changes we will do in the reported speech. Okay, so let's start. If there will be present simple or indefinite, present indefinite tense in the reported speech, so it will be changed into past simple. Okay, for example, you can you must know that in present indefinite tense we will use first form of verb and do and does, helping verb, and in past indefinite we use second form of verb and did, the helping verb. Okay, so now here is an example. For example, if the sentence is I work hard, so it will be changed like this: he said that he worked hard. You all know that inverted commas will be replaced with the word that, and nextly you have to change the tense because in the reporting speech there is a second form said, so that is why we will change all these tenses. Make sure that if there will be present tense or future tense in the reporting speech outside of the commas, so there will be no change of tense, only change of pronoun and change of time and place will happen. Okay, next tense is present continuous. In present continuous we use is mr with first form and ing form of verb, and in it will be changed into past continuous, and in past continuous we use was were as a helping verb and ing form of verb. So the sentence will be like this: if the sentence is I am working hard, so it will be changed like this: he said that he was working hard. Okay, next, if the direct sentence will be in past simple, past indefinite tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense. And in the what is the rule of past perfect tense? The past perfect tense we use had as a helping verb, and we use third form of verb. Okay, so those sentence will be like this: he said that he had worked hard. Next, you can see that if the sentence will be in past continuous, it will be changed into past perfect continuous, and if the sentence will be present perfect, it will be changed into past perfect. If it will be present perfect continuous, so it will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, and if the sentence will be future simple, okay, will or shall agar use hua hai with first form of verb, it will be changed into a conditional sentence, and you will use would while changing a sentence into indirect form. Okay, and if there will be shall in a sentence, shall or will both, you will change it into a conditional sentence would. Okay, so this is the change of tense in narration. Moving towards forward, rule number 2, change of pronouns. You can see in this slide I have inserted a picture of a formula, and now I will explain that what is the meaning of this formula. It is called SON formula. Okay, S stands for subject, O stands for object, and N stands for no change. Okay, now you can see I have here is written 1, 2 and 3. Now what is the meaning of this formula? Okay students, listen to me carefully. You can see here is written first person change according to subject. Now the question is that what are personal pronouns? What are first person, second person and third person? First person is I and we, second person is only one, it's you, and the third person is he, she, it and they. Okay, so what is the meaning of this formula now? The meaning of this formula is that if there will be first person in the reported speech inside of the commas, if there will be first person, it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting speech, commas के बाहर. Okay, आई एम रिपीटिंग कि अगर कॉमास के अंदर आपको फर्स्ट पर्सन आई और वी मिलता है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, आई और वी यानी कि फर्स्ट पर्सन होगा, सो इट विल बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. कॉमास के बाहर जो हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंजिंग होगी वाइल चेंजिंग अ सेंटेंस इनटू एन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके, एंड if there will be second person, like if there will be you in reported speech inside of the commas, it will be changed according to the object. Okay, अगर आपके पास रिपोर्टेड स्पीच यानी कि कॉमास के अंदर सेकंड पर्सन है तो आप उसको चेंज करोगे ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग? जो कि कॉमास के बाहर है रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में. ठीक है, एंड द थर्ड वन इज एन स्टैंड्स फॉर नो चेंज, and if there will be third person inside the inverted commas, so there will be no change of personal pronouns. Understood? तो हमारा पर्सनल प्रोनाउन चेंज नहीं होगा. अगर हमारे पास थर्ड पर्सन होगा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कॉमास के अंदर, तो उसको इनडायरेक्ट बनाते हुए हम वो नॉन चेंजेबल होगा, उसको हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस फॉर्मूला. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. Moving towards forward, our last change of time and place. You can see here is a picture of changes. There are some certain words that we have to change while changing a direct sentence into an indirect sentence. You can see that this will change into that, there will be change into those, now will be change into then, here will be change into there. Okay, so these are the all changes. And here is one mistake. Here is written that shall will be changed into should, but it's wrong. Let me correct it for you. Shall and should both will be changed into shall and will both will be changed into would. Should is wrong. Okay, as I had told you earlier कि shall और will दोनों जब आपके पास आएंगे सेंटेंस में, तो इसको हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ would में चेंज करना है, कंडीशनल में. ठीक है, shall को should में चेंज नहीं करना, shall को भी would में चेंज करना है. Understood? So students, this was all for today. In this video I had revised the concepts of assertive narration. In next video, inshallah, next week I will tell you about interrogative and imperative sentences. Okay, till then, take care of yourself everyone. Allah Hafiz.